The drink of choice today, as my speech got a little slurred. Hey, I'm Anne-Marie and this is the Masked and Answered with Marie Claire. I'm gonna face mask and chill with you guys while answering some beauty questions, so here we go. This face mask is by Starskin and I use a lot of these. I travel a lot, so I'm on planes and in loads of places where there's air conditioning in hotel rooms, and this helped me. So my morning skin routine has really changed over the years. I used to do nothing, and then I found these guys and really great moisturising cream. Peel the other one off. Oh, it's really cold. So that's the first bit of my daily routine. I have this on for like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. And then I take it off, rub in the excess. And then I have this amazing moisturising cream called Skin Food by Weleda. This stuff changed my skin life. When I'm putting my mask on, it's a bit quiet right now, but I don't really like the quiet, so I shove some music on. It ranges from old school garage to old school R&B. Not like really old R&B, but like Nelly and Kelly R&B. I'd say my beauty regime when I get home is straight away take my makeup off. And yeah, I try and let my skin breathe as much as possible. I try loads of different face masks. I have some here. So like Starskin is one of my favourite, but also Dr. Yart is one of my favourites as well. And also Glam Glow is one of my favourites because they do loads of sparkly ones. I think they're all my favourite things to do. I've literally just dyed my hair pink right now, so I'm waiting for it to dry. Try to eat a lot of vegetables. Well, I'm vegetarian, so it's the only option, really. I try to do yoga a lot. Meditation is really important. And yeah, just like things that make you just stop and just have a moment to yourself. My night skin routine. These are my go-to skin face wipes. Simple, and they're for sensitive skin, and they're biodegradable. I feel the most beautiful if I've been to a spa and I've had a steam room, or I've just had a really hot shower. It really revitalizes your skin. I've actually really learned how to just love my face without makeup on, which I'm so happy about, because before I wouldn't even be seen without makeup on. This is really moist, and then my skin has literally sucked it all up, so it's starting to get dry now. So I've got to hurry up, answer the last few questions. Rapid round. Let's go. All-time favourite serum is this, but I can't pronounce it, so don't hate me. Lip balm or lip gloss? Lip balm, but get a really glossy one so it looks like you're wearing lip gloss. Tinted moisturiser or foundation? I choose tinted moisturiser. The more my skin can look moist, the better. Dry, oily or combination skin? I think I have combination because I have really dry bits around here, but this, and this is always really oily. Favourite beauty / wellness supplement? I take some vitamins called Juice Plus, and they've been helping me for years while I've been on tour. And also I take B12 tablets. Lightweight or heavy moisturiser? I'd have to choose heavy. I always just prefer my skin to be really moisturised. Skincare minimalist or maximalist? I say both, whatever works for your skin. The mask has to come off now. See how dry it is now. Okay, so check that out. My skin is so moisturised now. Now with the Skin Food Weleda, I feel like my skin's gonna be like, yes! That is the final outcome. So thanks for watching Masked and Answered with me, Anne-Marie. Don't forget to subscribe to Marie Claire's YouTube channel. I wanna know what face mask you're using because I wanna try some new ones out. So go to the comment section. Tell me what you're using right now, because I want to know. Have a good day, everyone.